guys, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. So today I am doing refrigerator cleanup. We have gone to the grocery store and so now I need to clean out the fridge so that I can put these groceries away. So if you want to see how I get our fridge clean and get these groceries put away, then continue to watch this video. Okay guys, so here's a quick overview of what the fridge looks like before. We have a lot of things in here. We have a lot of condiments that I need to look at expiration dates and throw items away. We have leftovers, lots of fruit, lots of other items that I need to check and probably just need to be thrown away. So let's get to it. I was checking the ice. We don't have a ice maker on the freezer, but I was just checking the ice to see if I could break it up and put it in the ice box, but they were still kind of melted. So I'm just going to continue to pull the items out of the freezer so I can start with that cleaning process. So I am using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner. This came in my Grove box. If you want to see what came in my Grove box, this will be my first Grove box. I put a video up, actually the previous video to this one, so just check it out to see the items that I got from Grove and the items that I will be trying out in my next few cleaning videos. It was a lot easier to just remove this rack from the freezer. I don't know what I was thinking at first. This way I could put it in the hot water. It could melt all the ice or any stickiness from popsicles or anything like that. It just made it a whole lot easier this way. So now I'm going to try to put all the items, the frozen items, back into the freezer in a more organized way, in a way in which we all can just see what it is and just pull out what we need versus just going through everything and then everything is just left in a messy manner. So that is my goal, at least for a couple days. So that's what I'm gonna try to do here. Moving on to the fridge, so now I'm just going to remove all of these mini items so that I can go through what we have to see what's going to make it back into the fridge. Right now, I'm just going to remove all the shelves and the drawers so that I can give it a good deep clean prior to putting it back in. I'm also trying out the Mrs. Meyer's dishwashing liquid. I will say this is my first time using it with cleaning out the fridge, and I noticed the consistency is really thick, so I appreciated that. The smell was great as well, and I think that it cleaned very well as well. So now I'm just going back with the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner and spraying out the inside of the fridge and giving it a good clean, you guys. It was gross in here. I will say, you know, just being real, I don't always deep clean my fridge as much as I should. More so just, you know, going in spot cleaning and things like that. It's really tedious with pulling out the drawers and everything like that. So I'm going to be honest and say, you know, I don't always do this. So I hope this gives you at least some motivation to, you know, pull those drawers out, get in those nooks and crannies and get the fridge clean, because, you know, without moving that stuff, we do not know what is behind it. So I felt really good, you know, pulling everything out. You know, it was, like I said, a tedious process, but it was much needed. So I'm going to just start back putting in all of the shelves in the refrigerator. It is always hard putting these back in. It's just something about it. It's easier to take out, but putting them back in, you know, you can always do it wrong. So that's what I'm doing, putting these back in so that I can start placing the items back into the refrigerator. So now what I have left is all the drawers for the refrigerator. So I'm going to get those cleaned so I can get those put back in. So again, I am placing these items back into the refrigerator, trying to place them in a more organized way, create some sort of easier system for everyone to follow to kind of keep it organized. And we did grocery shop. The fridge looks empty, I guess because I purged so many items. But anyway, now on to the door, the world, the own island of condiments, y'all. I swear we buy so many condiments. But a lot of these, I'm just going to, like I said, remove from the door, assess the situation, see what we are going to keep, and see what we need to throw away. So I'm going to give this area, the door of the fridge, a good wipe down, good cleaning. I'm still using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. I actually love this product. So I'm going to just continue to clean off the door before I put the items back in. Look at all this stuff, you guys. This is all of the condiments and stuff. They were also inside the fridge, not just on the door. So now it's time to work my way through these items and get rid of the ones that are not making it back into the refrigerator. Ta-da! The fridge is clean, you guys. The freezer is nice and clean, smells really fresh, organized, you guys. I can see everything. Now I can see what's needed. So when I do grocery shop again, I won't overbuy, because I tend to do that because I can't find things. So the fridge looks nice and clean as well. Nice and fresh and bright, you guys. Everything kind of organized so that we can see it, easily get to, so we won't create a mess in the fridge. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to go ahead and pull out those drawers, get in those nooks and crannies in the refrigerator, you guys. Believe me, I didn't want to do it, but it was needed. So I hope this video gave you some motivation. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, you guys, if you enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I would really love you here. I create different kind of content, whether it's cleaning, beauty, just DIYs, just whatever my mind thinks of that I want to just display or relay. I do that here. So thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I'll see you in the next one.